Okay, I just left Bernardo, feeling like I won the lotto. Cause I copped some good weed and I'm about to smoke until tomorrow. I copped a lot of tree, I probably paid my dealer's car. Now it's back to Begonia with my lovely sack of cargo. My drive is immortal, skills cold like Fargo. Watch me use my brain, Donnie Darko. Larry Legend boy, aka Head Honcho. Pretty boy swag, you can call me Mr. Guapo. I'm organized with mine, conduct business like a mobster. People say I'm gaining weight, it's cause I'm eating a lot of lobster. I'm real, homie, I stay sniffing out imposters. K-pasta to my rivatos, my casa es su casa. All you pinchy cabrones, better stay clear of my casa. I got a big shotgun, one shot will drop you. All you pinchy cabrones, better stay clear of my casa. I got a big shotgun, one shot will drop you. Yeah. Y'all already know what this is. Out my room. And y'all know who this is. It's Larry Legend. Yeah. It's Larry Legend, baby. You can call me activist, cause I'm like an activist. I don't follow rules, I will slap a bitch. Now slap a nigga, now slap his mama. I slap the whole family if they want some drama. Look here, boy, don't boy no flex. Military minded vet, and I do what I gotta do to get this next check. Els is so conceited, his grind can't be impeded. All these defenders try to come up, but they get defeated. Fuck that, I'm a winner, never been a loser. I got bad bros wanna hang with me like my name was Mr. Cooper. Ooh, Els don't call me super duper. I'm a king and I spit that fire, call me King Cooper. Yeah. I'm gonna say that shit one more time. Y'all already know who this is, and y'all know what this is. Yeah. This on my room. That's what it is. Yeah. Okay.